So I wanted to go over how to tie the ropes on the pin rail. Right now it's tied, so I'm going to undo it. There's 3 cinches and then it's wrapped 3 times. And then I raise and lower it with it wrapped once. Ultimately, we don't want to just let it go because then it could go all the way through the pulley system. So especially if it's a heavy apparatus, I like to have it wrapped while I'm lowering it. Once you've raised it to your height, you're going to wrap it like a figure 8 3 times, and you start underneath. So 1, 2, 3. So now it looks like an 8 or infinity. And now we're going to loop and cinch it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Nice and tight. Before you ever take this off, you should always pull up and down on the rope to make sure you are working with the correct line. You don't just come up and take it off. You want to tug on it to make sure it's the correct one. Now with this extra rope, we want to not just wrap it and coil it, as this can actually ruin the inside of the rope. We're going to loop it one way, then we have to turn our wrists and loop it the other way, so we're not twisting it. You loop till it's at the end, then you're going to reach through, grab onto it, create another loop, so then we can kind of like fold it over, but we're not wrapping it and potentially ruining the inside ropes. So that's how we do the pin rail. When changing out apparatus, please wrap the figure 8 and at least 1 cinch on the top pin. Begin with the tail of the rope, and you're going to make the figure 8, looping once underneath, second loop on top, and third loop on the bottom for that figure 8. Now your first cinch on top pin, second cinch on bottom pin, and third cinch on the top pin. Then you're going to make your bunny ears to clean it up. When changing out the apparatus, please wrap the figure 8 and at least 1 cinch to the top pin.